Alright, so we got Tractor Supplies all over the place here. And the fun thing with Tractor Supply is they clearance out their tools all the damn time. And I have a couple stores where they have a policy of clearance items are 25% off. Just so they can get them out of the store, which is pretty damn cool. And their top tools is called Job Smart. And here's an 11-piece set. Satisfaction guaranteed, whatever that means. Tractor Supply. I could have swore Job Smart had a lifetime warranty. Not that it matters because, like I said, they're constantly clearancing the items. So, what good is a tool if it breaks? You can't exactly go back and get another one because they probably don't sell it there anymore. But whatever. Do what you want. They're cheap garbage. So this was, I don't know, this was probably $5 or somewhere around that range, or I wouldn't have bought it. This is metric. Actually, I think I have a bunch of these. Usually metric is the blue. I think in the USA E, whatever, is red. So, it's a nice foam. Alright, so the point of the foam is to hold the items in here because you see as they're loose. We got your 6 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be, 19 millimeter, 21 millimeter. And what would this one be? 22 millimeter. And do we have at least a 10? Oh, gee. We have an 11 millimeter. Does this set not have a 10? Oh, here it is, buddy. A 10. Thank the Lord. Because if this did not have a 10 millimeter, it'd be completely useless and garbage. So, there's your 10. Your 10 is actually socketed in because that's the one you're going to lose anyway. And you get a nice little extension. Not wobble. Whatever CRV is, whatever. And it seems like a nice set. And you get your standard little ratchet thing. Just smart. Just short enough to not be useful for a 22 or a 20. You need to put an extension on there for bolts that big. If they're remotely tight. So, at least you get that feature. I really have no use for this. No clue why I bought it. I have billions of socket wrenches. I'll never use it. But if you needed one, there it is. You're 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, 21, 22, and you're 10. There it is. I mean, it's a nice case. Nice solid ass case. I can hold twice as many. Look how thick the case is. It's a case you could take it and just throw it in a corner somewhere, and it'll be ready for whatevs. Bruh. I got this for you. Alright. Satisfaction guaranteed. Cinderella lived with her step family.
Hold on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Cinderella lived with her step family. They were very mean to her. messenger came with a letter from the king. He was throwing a party.
Is that the tail, Dad?
Cinderella's sisters were meanies and ripped her dress and cut her.
She didn't go nail down.
Her godmother came along and made a dress for her to wear to the ball, the party. Prince Jeter met her and danced with her all night long. And she got so insecure she ran away and left her shoe. Prince Jeter found the shoe and tried it on with all the women in the land and found it fit Cinderella. Hold on. I didn't get to the last page yet. They got married and lived happily ever after and had 4 kids, a dog, and a Prius. They lived happily ever after.
Oh my God, I swallowed it.
What happened?
I swallowed it in my mouth.
Swallowed what?
The gum.
You swallowed the gum?
Yeah.
Oh, dear.